Welcome to PicLearn. চলো একসাথে আনন্দের সাথে ইংরেজি শিখি। Let's start today's lesson.
Sofa. Sofa.
And then the dog jumped right into the fountain.
Sit comfortably on the sofa.
He looked so funny when he got wet.
Couch. Aram kedara. I like to rest on the couch. Carpet. Galicha. The soft carpet covers the floor. Vase. Fuldani. Beautiful flowers are in the vase. Clock. Ghori. The clock shows us the time. Television. TV.
We're jumping and playing all day long.
We watch
singing
cartoons
our
on the
happy
television.
song.
Remote. Remote. Use the remote to change the channel. Painting. Chobi. A beautiful painting hangs on the wall. Telephone. Telephone. The telephone is ringing loudly. Speaker. Speaker. The speaker plays lovely music. Curtain. Porda. Pull the window curtain aside. Rug. Choto galicha. A small rug is near the sofa. Chandelier. Jharbati. The grand chandelier glows beautifully. Wall hanging. দেয়ালে সাজানোর বস্তু. This wall hanging looks colorful. Bookshelf. বইয়ের তাক. Keep your storybooks on the bookshelf. Cabinet. Deraj. Toys are stored inside the cabinet. Doormat. Paposh. Wipe your feet on the doormat. Aquarium. মাছের চৌবাচ্চা. Little fish are swimming in the aquarium. Photo frame. ছবির কাঠামো. Our family picture is in the photo frame. Center table. মাঝখানে টেবিল. Keep the teacup on the center table. Cushion. Godi. Hold the soft cushion tightly. Armchair. Hatolwala chair. Grandfather is resting on the armchair. Newspaper, সংবাদপত্র. Father reads the newspaper every morning. Window blind, জানলার পর্দা. Pull the cord to close the window blind. Fan, পাখা. The ceiling fan cools the living room. Plant pot, ফুলের টব. The green plant grows in the plant pot. Doorbell, দরজার ঘন্টি. Someone is ringing the doorbell. Showcase, সাজিয়ে রাখার আলমারি. Beautiful trophies are inside the showcase. Candle, মোমবাতি. The candle gives a soft light. Tissue box, tissue box. Pull a tissue from the tissue box. Tablecloth, tablecloth. A clean tablecloth covers the table. Air freshener, সুগন্ধি. The air freshener smells wonderful. Socket, বৈদ্যুতিক socket. The socket is on the living room wall. Plug, plug. Insert the wire plug carefully. Wi-Fi router, internet router. The Wi-Fi router has green blinking lights. Heater, উষ্ণ করার যন্ত্র. The heater keeps the room warm in winter.
Wow, we learned so many new words today.
আজ আমরা কত সুন্দর সুন্দর শব্দ শিখলাম, তাই না? If you want to learn more fun things with us, please subscribe to PicLearn BD. আমাদের সাথে আরো মজার মজার জিনিস শিখতে এখনই PicLearn BD চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করো. See you in the next video. Bye bye.